This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to today's lesson. We started talking about our 20 lessons, forged out of my 20 years trading experience. So we've talked about lesson 1, 2, 3. In case you missed any of those 3 lessons, the link should be at the description of this video, or you can just browse through my channel and you'll be able to get access to them. So today we are going into lesson number 4. What is lesson number 4? The less the more, the less the better, the less the better. Many people always think that the more you trade, the more profits you can make. No, that is not true. Lesson number 4, overtrading is a silent account killer. More trades do not equals more profit. Often, less trading leads to better results. And that is the difference between a swing trader, a day trader, and a scalper. When you are a scalper, you can have as many trades as possible. But what you forget also is that as you are, buying or selling, each trade you place, you are actually paying commission, swap, spread. You can imagine trader A, have about 20 trades in a day, and this trader pays commission on each of the trade. Compare that to trader B that only have just 1 trade, maybe in a day, or even in a week, or even in a month. Yes, both of them have their pros and cons, but just bear it in mind. Understand that the less the better, the less the more. You cannot just keep trading. It has happened to me many times with that number, and that is why I call it a lessons. Okay, that's why I call it lessons. Sometimes within the first 5, 10, 15 minutes of the market open, especially with futures trading, I've already made what I wanted to make. But many times I will still sit and I will still be trading. Before you know it, I will give it back to the market, all the profit, if not even more. So understand that the less the better, the less the better. That is lesson number 4. By the way, do me a favor. This is the Forex Apostle 2.0. If you want to help me, help this channel, like this video, leave your comment, any area you think I can help you, and please do me a favor, share this with your friend. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow for lesson number 5.